everyone. Have you been outside lately? Or in a building with other people and different things happening? Were you quiet and listening? What sounds did you hear? Did you hear any music? Well, in this book, Karima, she is very quiet and she listens to everything that is around her. Let's see what sounds she hears.
Quiet Karima by Nidhi Chanani. Do you hear the gentle rain? The scurrying squirrel feet? My ears seek rhythm and beat. Like the sound of my mama making rotis in a 1-2 tempo. Quiet Karima. People call me Quiet Karima like it's my first and last name. Others like to talk. I listen. It may seem like I'm not. I am. I wait for the right spot to share my gift. Behind the noise, I hear tunes. The click, click as the door shuts. The jingle of my keys. Sounds surround my building and me, chattering, bustling, free. Cars beep on the bus, their percussion light and soft. Walking through the park is a symphony. The wind in the oak leaves, wheels on the pavement, shoes in the street. A chorus of chicks, robins, wrens, and blue jays. I cross the street, quiet for a tick, until I arrive at my favorite place. Miss T awaits. My first space where my quiet is okay. Miss T agrees. Without silence, there's no music. I share my treasures, a box, a can, a pair of chopsticks. They're quiet like me. Until we begin to tap and crash, groove and bash, songs are everywhere, in everything. I want to listen. I want to make. I'm an instrument, my heart, my body, part of the world's medley. Quiet Karima is not all that I am. There is music in me.
I loved that story. Now, I want to see if you remember. What were some sounds that Karima listened to? More importantly, what is sound? Can we make sound? And how can we make sound? Can we turn sound into music? Wait, what is music? I have so many questions. Be sure to tell your friend, your neighbor, your teacher, your mom, your dad, your grandma, your grandpa. Tell others what is sound, what is music, how do we make it sound and music, and can you make an instrument? That is a big thing too. Karima actually made instruments too. Okay, well, until next time, keep learning and loving, and I can't wait to read with you again.